You're the light in the morning. You're the breeze in the
Papakita ko ito, ipopost ko to,
afternoon.
pre.
You're the water welling up within me.
Ano yan?
You are making me new.
Pwede tumamit na pagwala.
You're the roots that go deep, deep down. You're the energy I need to grow. You're the mover of my every season. You surround me everywhere I go. You are the sun, and I'm your sunflower. You are the reason for the colors of my soul. You are the sun, and I'm your sunflower. So I love to you and overflow.
Lakas Vinso.
You are watching over me constantly. You are strengthening my faith.
So basically right now, nililibre ako ni Vince kasi lagyan ko lang ito subtitles.
You are fighting for my victory. You are fighting for me.
Pakilala mo sarili mo.
Hi, my name is Vince Anthony Gagala.
Sino ka talking stage mo ngayon? Uli ka, boy.
Wag. Mamaya ano na eh. Failed.
Failed? Pre, alam mo sa ganyan, paano tayo nagkakilala, Vince?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Bigla ko lang pumasok sa buhay ko eh.
Wow! Cutie kasi ako eh.
Nung grade 11 orientation po.
May orientation ba tayo?
Oo. Bigla akong sumingit sa pila ko. Yung...
Tapos dinaldal kita.
Oo.
Piniflex ko, ay, eto, alam mo ba dito dati?
Ikaw yung ano. Ikaw yung ano ko.
Ano?
Solo tour.
Solo tour, legit. Siniflex ko sa'yo yung mga alam ko dito sa Unsay. Ay, eto.
Tapos akala ko, external to. Yun pala, taga dito din. Okay.
So, this is Vince Gagala. That's all for today. Hindi ko marunong mag-gana. We are on to our last subject and it's already past 12 o'clock. So, I'll see you guys later.
And I'm your sunflower. You are the reason for the colors of my soul. You are the sun, and I'm your sunflower. So I love to you and overflow. Always
Kaya nga si Daddy.
smiling at me.
May bayad ako dito ah.
Even when I can't breathe, you're always smiling at me. Even when I can't see,
Sir, ayos sa vlog.
you're always smiling at me. You're teaching me how to
Prison mo na!
Sure, I look to you and let it all go. I look to you and let go.
Pag tayo nahulog dito.
Natakot ako pag...
Oy, cut ko na to. Cut ko na ba to?
Ikaw, dito ka lang dyan. Try mo iba't ibang angle. Parang